The hardest hit country by the coronavirus pandemic, United States of America, continues to be under immense pressure as COVID-19 cases have surged exponentially. The outbreak worsened further, with the country's health authorities reporting its highest single-day surge of 60,209 new cases. The 60,000 plus cases reported in just the last 24 hours in America is a new global record for daily surge in Wuhan virus cases in any country. The third most affected state in America is Texas, and Texas is battling a massive surge of coronavirus cases as people lined up in queues to get themselves tested for this deadly disease. While more than 200 cars stood behind one another in front of the United Memorial Medical Center, some patients arrived the night before to get themselves checked. Medical experts have warned that the state is likely to end up like New York.
The next 2 weeks, we are probably going to end up being what New York was 2 months ago. I think that's what's going to happen. And that is going to happen particularly because we had the 4th of July holiday, and a lot of people did not listen. A lot of people went out. And more likely than not, we're going to see those patients come into the hospital over the next 2 weeks.
In Florida, with rising infections, several patients could not be admitted for treatment due to shortage of medical equipment. More than 4 dozen hospitals have also reported to have reached their intensive ward capacity limits. Meanwhile, State Governor Ron DeSantis hailed the efforts of medical practitioners and also appealed to the youth to maintain social distancing.
When you have a lot of these asymptomatic 20-year-olds, there's not a lot of contact tracing that's being effective with them because they haven't been as cooperative.
Shockingly, beaches in Miami and several other public spaces in the city reopened after temporary closure for the weekend. Earlier, as a measure to contain the virus, Mayor of Miami, Carlos, had ordered a closure of beaches on the 4th of July and advised people to stay indoors.
Mr. Trump.
Meanwhile, the U.S. president also called for schools and universities across America to reopen next semester.
We want to reopen the schools. Everybody wants it. The moms want it. The dads want it. The kids want it. It's time to do it. Our mortality rate is right now at a level that people don't talk about, but it's down tenfold. So you look at deaths are way down from this horrible China virus.
Other states like Montana, Oklahoma, and Missouri have also broken their previous day records of surge in COVID-19 cases. As of now, the deadly virus has infected nearly 3 million people and has killed more than 131,000 people in the United States of America.